This is lecture series second on the topic thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. In this lecture we are going to learn about kinetic interpretation of temperature. In the last lecture we have deduced the pressure of ideal gas exerted on the wall of the container. So and that was P is equal to 1 by 3 m and V bar square. That was the formula of pressure of an ideal gas exerted by you can say exerted by the ideal gas. Now if we can write this one as 2 1 by 2 and m v bar square. So we have multiply numerator and denominator with 2, and we know that this is the average kinetic energy of gas molecules. Average kinetic energy of the gas molecules. It means if we assume that average kinetic energy of gas molecule is epsilon equal to 1 by half m v bar square, then we can write this one as a 2 by 3. This one is v because that was v here. So PV is equal to 2 by 3 or PV is equal to 2 by 3 and epsilon. 2 by 3 and epsilon. That was the pressure times volume equal to 2 by 3 and epsilon. And also we also know that PV is equal to mu RT. So we can equate these two terms and we will get, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and when we equate these two terms we will get 2 by 3 and epsilon naught is equal to mu RT. And then epsilon is equal to 3 by 2 R divided by n t, or k is equal to r by n, and we know that k is equal to r by n is Boltzmann constant. It means epsilon naught equal to 3 by 2 kBT. This is the average kinetic energy of gas molecules. 3 by 2 Boltzmann constant multiplied by temperature. It means we can say that average kinetic energy is directly proportional to temperature. So we can write temperature of any ideal gas with which is proportional to average kinetic energy of the gas molecules. It means at given temperature the average kinetic energy of all molecules will be the same, and this is the first point. Second point is that average kinetic energy of gas molecules is directly proportional to its temperature. So these are the two basic interpretation of temperature, kinetic interpretation of temperature. Now we can find the molecular speed of the gases. We know that gases are made up of molecules, and these molecules can travel with some specific speed. So we want to find the molecular speed. We know that half mv square or average kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 Boltzmann constant times T, and also we can write Boltzmann constant as R by Na, number of molecules, and if we arrange these terms, we will get 3R by mNA T. Average speed is equal to 3R divided by mNA T. And also V bar is equal to 3. We know that Kb is equal to R by Na. So Kb divided by Mt, or we can write this one as Kbt divided by M. M is equal to mNA R. mNA, M is equal to mNA. It is molecular weight of the gas. Capital M is molecular weight of the gas. So first of all, in last topic we have deduced the average kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 Boltzmann constant T, half m V bar square is equal to 3 by 2 Boltzmann constant is equal to R divided by Na. We rearrange these terms, we will get V bar square is equal to 3 R by mNA T. Here m multiplied by Na, nothing but a molecular weight of the gas. So 3 RT divided by m, or 3 Kb by Mt. Now the root mean square or mean square speed is equal to, mean speed will be molecular speed will be Vrms is equal to root mean square is equal to root V bar square, which is nothing but a 3RT divided by M, or 3 kBT divided by M. So this is the formula. Vrms molecular speed is equal to 3RT divided by M, or 3 kB Boltzmann constant divided by small m. So this is the formula for the molecular speed, and this is root mean square speed. Now in the next video we will deduce the gas laws.